So harja, session said he. Okay, session. Use the expression our or arsa more in stories and that kind of stuff. And you don't just use it speaking. You know. Session is emphatic of him. Yeah. And with you use session. Okay? A harja session. Kakimage. A ruid her here in the Frankie. Okay, so kakimage and ruid her in the Frankie, which means kakimage we have to. So to say I have to kakime. Yes, it sounds like, it looks like we'll spend or we'll smoke or whatever, but it means here have to. So kakime I have to, kakimage or kakimage we have to. And the ruid to put on the rats. Okay, so we have to drive the rats off. Okay, or you can say I have to eat the sandwich. Kakime and kapara, or kakime and laur show alev. I have to read this book. Or kakime literature skriv kunmakar. I have to write a letter to my friend. Okay, so kakime is two expressions now. Kakime.
What's our session?
Our session said he. So friend said he. We have to drive the rats up. Okay? Ta Instagram shin.
I know that.
Okay, ta Instagram shin. I know that. Okay? Ach. Chi. How? Okay, like if you will to, how are you? Okay, what way? How? Okay? Kechui. Okay? It is ni rev foco as dine erbe.
Nobody said a word.
Yeah, not a word from anyone. No one had a word. Ni rev foco as dine.
Not words from anybody.
Ni rev foco as dine erbe. So there wasn't a word from anyone. Okay. Tarish Tamo, Lauer Far Artani, Okul and Holla. So Tarish Tamo. After Tarish Tamo, after a while. So Tarish Tamo is after a while. Tamo without the I is a while. Tarish Tamo after a while. Lauer Far Art Tani. Far Art Tani.
Tall man.
Yeah, slim, tall man, Lauer.
Spoke.
Spoke. Okay? I think we have a little bingo game with Lauer. Right? Lauer verb there. Okay, Tarish Kamo, Lauer Far Art Tani, Okul and Holla. In the back of the hall. From O. Cool means back. Okay? So O cool from back and Holla of the hall, from the back of the hall. Okay? Okay? Yeah, this one, sentences are a little shorter, okay? Is Phaedra Lomsa and Ruad Akur Orca Arshishin? Is Phaedra Lomsa?
I still can't.
Okay, Lomsa.
Is.
I can.
I can.
I can.
Okay.
Phaedra.
Phaedra Lumsa. So I can. Okay. And Rua. Okay. And Ruig. Her. Orga. Okay. Is Phaedra Lumsa and Ruig her orga?
I can put the root in.
Okay. Her session. Driving off. Chase, put the chase on him or something. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, unless you see them, you don't really run into them walking down the street or anything, but yeah. Okay. So, yeah, certain things you use more in expressions than anything else. Okay. Deach gach enya sahala an var a lauer. So deach gach enya
Everybody does.
sahala. Okay, so deach.
Yeah.
Gach.
Everybody look.
Hallway.
So deach gach enya sahala. So look,
Everybody in the hall.
everyone. This enya is short for indina. So every single person gach enya.
Yeah.
Single person.
So deach gach enya sahala.
Everyone in the hall look.
Okay. Aaron var a lauer.
And the man speaking.
Bar. Oh, bar.
That spoke. Yeah.
At the man.
Who spoke. Okay. So Aaron var on the man. In Irish, when you feach, which means to look, you look on something. Feach Aaron television. I'll look on the TV. Look at the TV. Feach Oram, look at me. Okay. Feach Aaron var shim, look at that man. Feach Aaron man shim, look at that woman. Okay. Because woman is ban.
Oh, who becomes man?
Okay, so on the woman is and man. Okay. So feach Aaron man, look at the woman. Okay. And the way you say that or who in Irish is this word a. So a lauer who spoke. Okay? So you can deach gach enya sahala Aaron var a lauer. Or you can say the Viacoin who was speaking. Okay. 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 So, ni akashid dina kosuilish riv. So ni akashid.
They saw not to see and not see.
Okay. Ni akashid
They didn't say.
dina kosuilish.
Person.
Person.
Yeah.
Kosuilish means like him.
Never seen a person.
Riv.
Ever.
So they didn't see a person like him ever. Kosu, I think it's a combination of ko, which means like ko in English, and su is eye. So someone who has a like eye or something. Hey, wait, looking at it, kosuilish. Huh?
They had never seen him before.
They had never seen a person like him before.
Was he a stranger?
Apparently.
Well, someone who would say.
I don't want to spoil the plot here. Huh?
Well, I don't.
Wait, what is what?
The
Ko?
What
story.
does co mean?
Ko kind of has an idea, like, because you have like, what's a good expression? Like, you have a lot of things that use ko or con in the beginning of a word, like,
Oh, con like
Codependent.
like codependent. There you go. Right. Cooperate. You work together. So it's the same idea. In Irish, you have that same, usually spelled C-O-M-H, but it gets contracted in. There's a lot of words in Irish that use co in the same way that English uses co to mean together. Okay?
so the whole word means
Kosoi means like. Okay, so Kosuilesh like him. How would you say like her? Kosule or Kosulehi. How about like you? Kosuilat. Okay, so you can say Neil Dinna Erbe Kosuilat. So there's no one like you. You can take it however you want. Okay, huh? Okay. So, Viachid Adi Bui Agus Jared Agus Peed and Alive Ege. So Viachid Adi.
Was?
Your clothes?
His Achid Adi, his clothes.
His clothes.
Bui Agus Jared.
They were, yellow and red.
Yellow and red, right? Okay. Agus Peed and Alive Ege.
And he had a pipe in his hand.
Okay.